Guys, what's up? So today I have another unboxing for you guys, and today it's about a laptop which I just ordered. So let's go ahead and open up and let's see what comes in the box. The thing is that I was looking for a HP laptop or a Dell laptop, and I came across this really good bundle. I mean, during this crisis, lots of people are panicking to buy a laptop, so it's really hard to find a really good piece of equipment. So guys, this bundle comes with a few bits and bobs, so let's take it out and let's take out the laptop. Okay, so I have basically taken out all the products, and I'm just going to quickly show you what they are. So we have in the bundle, it comes with this mouse, which is the Z3700. This is basically it's a Bluetooth mouse. It's got a dongle with it, and it's really slim in design, and it's got battery, it says, which lasts up to 15 months, which is fantastic, because that is what you need if you are actually working constantly. And so yeah, so that's the packaging, as you can see. And yes, the mouse is packed, and yeah, so it's quite slim. It comes with this Bluetooth dongle or wireless dongle, whatever you may call it. So we'll just keep that on the side. And second, we have this really nice sleek carry case which comes with this laptop. So the idea behind this laptop is that it's a 15.6-inch laptop, and this sleeve, it's actually quite nicely made. It has this sort of hexagon pattern on it. Here we have the sleeve, so you can see it's like a polyurethane material. It's really nice to feel and touch, and it says it's for a 15.6-inch laptop. It's got a zip on the side, and it gives you a bit of detail that you can put, your stuff on the back as well. So front pocket, it's got a zip over here. The zip, it's got this nice silver finish, which is pretty cool. Then you have this HP logo down here, and on the rear it's absolutely plain. And inside, if we open it, so it basically opens from this side, so you can slip in the laptop from here. And it's quite it's got this foam at the moment, you can put the laptop, and it's got this cushion. And then yes, so it's got this carry handle on the top, where you can, if you want to carry it, so it'll be more easier for you to carry it. So this is the sleeve. Okay, so guys, this is the laptop. So just to show you guys, these are the specs, and it clearly shows that it's a 15.6-inch laptop. It's got Intel Celeron, 4 GB RAM, and it's got a hard drive, which is not an SSD. So let's go ahead and open the packaging up. So for that, we would definitely use our trusted knife. So that box is for the charger, and then you have a cable which connects to the power outlet, and then you have the laptop. So nowadays they don't really send much. It just gives this sort of declaration of conformity, and it comes with this quick guide. I think lots of guides have gone online, and so it's got this black foam for protection. So the first impression is, I really feel that it's really, it's a new model, so it really looks cool. It's got this HP logo over here, and it's a bit dark. The pattern on the laptop is the same as the carry case, and let me just open it quickly and show you guys. Okay, that's beautiful. The screen is not the shiny one, so it's matte, and so this part over here, it's a bit the plastic is shiny. Keyboard layout is excellent, full-size keyboard. Intel logo over here, and then it's got this to sort of this trackpad, and this area is quite neat. So overall, if I give the score to this laptop, this is like 9 out of 10. A really nice, really neat. I mean, I can give it 10 out of 10 because it's really beautifully built. I think they're really improving the models. Now, even the bezel around this, it's got this sort of matte hexagon print, and same goes to the palm area and the keyboard area. On the top, you have the camera for your Skype calls or your video calls. So on the rear, it just has this ventilation part. So if the computer gets hot, design is again very, very sleek. So it's got this rubber piece over here, 2 rubber pieces, so to support it and to give that extra space so that it can be ventilated. And on the left side, you have got 3 ports. One is the HDMI and 2 are USB ports, and 1 is your Ethernet port. And then you have the headphone jack. On the other side, you have the Kensington lock over here, and then you have an SD card slot, plus you have another USB port. On the front, it's absolutely plain, and you can see it's got this rubber wedges so that it can close very simply. So guys, this was my quick video review for just this unboxing of this HP laptop. I'll put the model in the description below. This concludes my video for the unboxing of this HP laptop, which is the HP 15DA0072NA. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions and you're planning to buy a laptop, do let me know in the comment section and I'll reply back to you. But it's a really nice machine if you're looking for something for your work, not really to play games, but just for your basic work in your home. Perfect machine with a really great bundle. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.